So the month of March has just finished and my portfolio has been on the tear. It's been the best month I've had to date with a portfolio of 16.94% currently. And we can see within this month I generated $102.44 in dividends. So the portfolio is really now in a position where we're starting to generate large returns alongside consistent dividend income month on month. If we go and have a look at the portfolio, we can see that the biggest earner for me so far is JP Morgan Chase, up 70.53%. IBM is up 48%. ExxonMobil up 48%. Oracle up 47%. One Oaks at 38.57%. Microsoft up 29%. Kilroy Realty is up 29%. Basically, Bitcoin up 15.56%. BlackRock's up 14.74%, S&P 500 ETFs up 14.46%, Edison Consolidated 13%, Apple has dropped a bit but still up 11.32%, AGNC, which is paying me monthly, is up 10.66%, T Rowe's up 8.11%, Ares Capital, the largest scale dividend payer, is up 4.89%, Visa up 1.25%, and now coming into the losers on the portfolio. Altria Group is down 2.74%, but again, pays big dividends. QYLD, my best dividend pair, is down 6.5%. Realty Income is down 8.65%. And Gazprom is still sanctioned, and my worst investment, down 95%. Things are looking great. Coming up in the next month, I have dividend payments expected for several companies. I'd expect another $100 a month. So we'll have payments coming in from AGNC, Kilroy Realty, Altria Group, Realty Income, Oracle. So more payments to come in from JP Morgan as well in the next month. All in all, guys, portfolio's doing really well. Hoping these market returns continue, and the consistent income allows me to further just grow them returns. So if anyone wants to see more of anything in the portfolio, let me know in the comments down below. As always, if you would like me to take the bulk of the work out, feel free to copy or follow on eToro. Thanks for watching, guys.